If you're hunting for a commercial display fridge that blends style with functionality, let us introduce the Apex VS-360. A sleek white powder-coated steel body that fits right into any store decor. Better yet, is customizable lightbox. Print your logo, daily specials, or brand colors on it, and this fridge becomes a mobile billboard to make your shop stand out. Right hinged door fits most store layouts seamlessly. Bright LED lighting lights up every corner, so your products look fresh and inviting, even from across the room. There are 4 adjustable wire shelves too. You can rearrange them to fit bottles, jars, or larger items, making the most of the 13 cuft of storage space. When it comes to cooling, this fridge delivers dynamic cooling system. It maintains a steady temperature to keep your beverage cool and perishables fresh, and you can upgrade with the optional digital temperature controller. Its precise settings let you fine-tune temps easily, adding extra control to keep your goods in optimal condition. Plus, it has smooth rolling casters, so you can move it around your store whenever you need to rearrange your layout. Whether you're stocking sodas, sandwiches, or pastries, the Apex VS-360 turns your refrigerated goods into a selling point. It's durable, efficient, and designed to work as hard as your team does. If you want to make your products shine while keeping them cool, this is the fridge for you.